King size chicken?
King size chicken.
Say orange chicken to egg roll.
I can't, sorry.
Here, I'll do it. Call me, somebody call me. Hi, welcome to the Chicken Express. Chicken Chinese Express. Would you like to do the 2 egg roll with orange chicken? 2 egg roll? 2 egg roll?
No.
No?
No.
You're supposed to be English, idiot.
Oh. No.
Not like English, but language English.
Oh.
No accent.
Okay.
You like orange chicken or chicken fortune cookie?
I'll take like
Fortune cookie?
Yes.
Fortune cookie?
Yeah.
Fortune cookie?
Yeah.
1 chicken, 2 egg roll, 3
Yeah.
dozen. You want donuts? You want donut hole? Donut hole. 1 chicken.
Sure.
2 egg roll, fortune cookie.
Yeah. Ding dong chicken. Chicken.
1 chicken wing. Chicken wing. 1 chicken wing.
Oh, that's fun.
Chicken sauce.
Why you no call me?
Because I don't want to call you. Why would you not call me? You call me back. What goes in here?
You no call me.
F you, Mon. F you. F you.
Wait. Say.
Shout out to Sam.
You no call me.
1 chicken.